Hello, I'm Astria, your AI ambassador from Tech ROI. We are a dedicated SAP Business One partner focused on digital transformation for small and mid-market enterprises across India and globally. For over 2 decades, our mission has been simple: help SMEs operate like modern enterprises by integrating SAP Business One with AI, automation, and practical industry experience. SAP Business One is an affordable enterprise-grade ERP designed specifically for small and mid-sized businesses. With this single system, you can manage accounting and finance, inventory and distribution, production and material requirement planning (MRP), project and resource management (CRM), sales and service, purchasing and operations, integration with external HRMS and external payroll system. It enabled with cloud technologies, IoT, AI, big data, mobile technologies, and analytics. It provides your leadership team with one clear truth instead of multiple Excel versions. At Tech ROI, we don't just install software, we implement SAP Business One with tangible business outcomes. Expect faster book closings, tighter inventory control, better cash visibility, and enhanced customer engagement. We help you manage your entire operations end-to-end: finance, sales, purchasing, inventory, production, projects, and service on a single integrated platform, capturing every transaction and activity in real time for a single source of truth. This means richer, more reliable data at each touchpoint, smarter dashboards and KPIs, and far greater visibility into margins, bottlenecks, and growth opportunities across your business, so leaders can move from reactive firefighting to proactive data-driven decisions. We specialize in SAP Business One on HANA, offering high-speed reporting and in-memory analytics. It enables Google-like search across your entire ERP for instant answers. Additionally, we've developed Tech AI, our AI layer integrated directly within SAP Business One, and AI chatbots. You can talk to your SAP B1 data in plain English. Stop building reports and writing SQL code. Just ask a simple question: show me open sales orders. In seconds, you get every open order with overdue amounts, duplicate risks, and clear recommended actions. Then, watch it build dashboards, aging, currency split, top customers, right inside the chat. Tech AI by Tech ROI makes SAP B1 now conversational. This powerful combination, SAP Business One, HANA, and Tech AI, transforms your ERP into a decision-making cockpit for leaders. To simplify adoption, we offer 3 all-inclusive fixed packages: Launch, Accelerate, and Scale. Launch is for first-time adopters. 10 users for 79,999 rupees monthly. We promise your enterprise-grade ERP live in 6 weeks. Accelerate is for growing mid-market teams. 15 users for 1,14,999 rupees. Perfect for businesses needing stronger visibility. Scale is for serious growth and multi-entity setups. 20 users for 1,49,999 rupees. Designed for expanding geographies or product lines. When you partner with us, you're not just buying licenses. You gain a long-term ally who understands your unique business model. Our mission is to ensure you never forget your customer, and your customer never forgets you, by placing reliable data at the heart of your operations. Share a snapshot of your team size, and I can help you select the most suitable package: Launch, Accelerate, or Scale. For more details, visit us at techroi.com or email contact@techroi.com. I look forward to helping you grow.